siguro ito.
Yeah. Maybe one.
Mm-hmm.
It's in there.
Maliit na lang, tapos malaki na lang.
You'll see, it's in there.
Pwede mo palang gawin na iba ang kulay sa gitna. Iba rin ang kulay sa labas.
Yeah, but it's harder. I don't know why you would want to do that. Then you'd have to change icing that. Ito lang eh. Very tiny. So.
Pero pag nasanay ka, maano ka.
Makes perfect. Nakita mo nga eh, the flowers got better and better. The purple one sucked, the pink one was okay, the yellow ones were nice, and the orange ones I think were just hard.
Inisip ko na ito mag-aral ng mga ganito nung hindi ka nag-aral, hindi ka naging doon. Inisip ko na yun, kaya lang, ano, sa pamasahe pa lang at saka sa kuhan.
Ano lang magamak? Ay ko! Ang mag-aalala ko dito. Mas Tim wants to do it.
Yun talaga, magandang, ano, kami lang dalawa.